Hello everyone. In this video we will do the important books and authors from the month of January to April 2021, and remember this video will be very important for your exam point of view. So let's start the video, and remember from this video you will expect more than 2 or 3 books in your examination. So watch video very carefully and note down into your notebook. So let's start the video. So, the first book we are going to cover is Right Under Your Nose. Right Under Your Nose. This book has been written by R. Girdhar. He was the former RBI director, deputy governor. Okay. He was he was former deputy governor of RBI. So, Right Under Your Nose book is written by R. Girdhar. Very important. Next is Making of a General. Making of a General. This book has been written by General Konsang Himalay Singh. Konsan Himalay Singh, and uh, this is very important book. Making of a General. The next book is The Population Myth. The Population Myth, and this book has been written by S. Y. Qureshi. S. Y. Qureshi, a very important book for the exam, and this book is related to the Islamic, family planning and politics that has been done by our politicians. So, the population book myth book has been written by S. Y. Qureshi. Very important. The next book is Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema. Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema. This book has been written by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. He is a famous director, and this book is also very important. Vidhu Vinod Chopra. The next book is super important, Unfinished. Unfinished book has been, it is a autobiography, and this book has been written by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Unfinished. Next book is Yearbook. This book has been written by Seth Rogen. Yearbook, Seth Rogen. Next book is very important. This book, By Many a Happy Accident. By Many a Happy Accident. This book has been written by former Vice President of India, Dr. Hamid Ansari. Dr. Hamid Ansari. By Many a Happy Accident. The next book is written by Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama, and the name of book is The Little Book of Encouragement. The Little Book of Encouragement. And remember, Dalai Lama has also written a book, and the name of book is Our Only Home. Our Only Home. Okay. So this book has been also written by Dalai Lama. Remember it. The next book is Beautiful Things. Beautiful Things book has been written by the son of Joe Biden. Joe Biden, who is the president of USA, and his son Hunter Biden has written a book that name is Beautiful Things. And remember, Joe Biden has also written some books. For example, he has written Promise Me Dad. Promise Me Dad. This book has been written by Joe Biden, and another book that name is Promises to Keep. Promises to Keep. Very important. And don't confuse with another book whose author is Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Okay. And the name of book is The Promised Land. The Promised Land. This book has been written by Barack Obama. Next book is also very important because the author is Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri, and the name of book is Whereabouts. Whereabouts. And Jhumpa Lahiri has also written a book whose name is The Namesake. The Namesake. This book has been written by Jhumpa Lahiri, and in this, this book, on this book, there is a movie. There is a movie, and the actor is, who is the actor? Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan is the actor in this movie, The Namesake. So remember the book, because this book is very very important. Whereabouts for your exam point of view. Jhumpa Lahiri. Next book is Kamla's Way. Kamla's Way. This book has been written by Dan Moran. Dan Moran. And remember, Kamala Harris is the first female vice president of USA. Okay, first female vice president of USA. She is from the state of Tamil Nadu, and the name of village is Thula Sendrapuram. Thula Sendrapuram. Okay, and Kamala Harris has also written some books, and the name of books is The Truths We Hold. The Truths We Hold. We Hold. This book has been written by Kamala Harris, and another book is Superheroes Are Everywhere. Superheroes Are Everywhere. This book has also written by Kamala Harris. And one more book, you have to remember it. One more book, and the name of book is Smart on Crime. Smart on Crime. Okay. So Kamala's Way. This book is written by Dan Moran. The next book is Stories I Must Tell. Stories I Must Tell, and this book has been written by a famous actor, Kabir Bedi. Kabir Bedi, important. Next book is Because India Comes First. Because India Comes First, and written by Ram Madhav, the leader of BJP. Ram Madhav. Because India Comes First. The next book is The Last Queen. The Last Queen, and this book is very very important, and the author is Chitra Banerjee. Chitra Banerjee, very important. The next book is on the victory of Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani won election from Amethi. Amethi was the uh, area of Rahul Gandhi, and she is the MP of Amethi. Okay, and on this victory there is a book has been written by Anant Vijay. Anant Vijay, and the name of book is Dynasty to Democracy. Dynasty to Democracy by Anant Vijay. This book is on Smriti Irani's victory in Amethi. Very important. The next book is Banj. Banj book has been written by Shushmita Mukherjee. Shushmita Mukherjee, The Incomplete Lives of a Complete Woman. Banj. Next book is very very important, because this book is on the famous painter Raja Ravi Verma. Raja Ravi Verma, and the name of book is Prince with a Paintbrush, The Story of Raja Ravi Verma. And this book has been written by Shobha Tharoor. Shobha Tharoor. There were so many paintings that has been made by Raja Ravi Verma, and this book has been written by Shobha Tharoor. Shobha Tharoor, Prince with a Paintbrush. Next book is also very very important, because this book is written by Suresh Raina, and this is the autobiography of Suresh Raina, and the name of book is Believe. Believe. So author is Suresh Raina. The next book is by the author J.K. Rowling, and remember, J.K. Rowling is the author of Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Okay, and Harry Potter, there are so many movies on Harry Potter. I think you have seen it. So J.K. Rowling has written a book. The name of the book is The Christmas Pig. The Christmas Pig. Very important book. The Christmas Pig. Next book is by Amitav Ghosh, a famous writer, a famous author, Amitav Ghosh, and the name of the book is The Living Mountain, A Fable of Our Time. The Living Mountain, A Fable for Our Time. This book is written by Amitav Ghosh, and this book has not yet been released, and the release of the book is 2022. Okay, so you can remember the book, The Living Mountain. So this was the video on the authors from the month of January to April 2021, and this video is very very useful for your exam point of view, and Do like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.